Number 1. Citrus fruits. You might love the smell of oranges, lemons, and grapefruit, but ants just can't stand it. Use this knowledge to your advantage and leave some ground dried citrus peels near entry points to the house, in flower beds, and in potted plants to scare away ants. Spraying openings, sinks, counters, and tabletops with pure lemon juice or even lemon-scented cleaner day by day should also bring visible results. Ants will lose their sense of tracking and won't be able to detect the odors of food particles and residue they're naturally attracted to. 2. Cucumber slices. Similar to citrus fruits, cucumbers smell like trouble to ants. Apparently, there's something in their chemical composition that eliminates the fungi that ants love a lot. So, find the hot spots in your house where the ants are most frequently visiting, normally around food and water, and also any gaps, crevices, and holes. Leave some cucumber peels or slices in these places. This is a quick and temporary solution for visible ants, but make sure to remove the cucumbers after a few hours since you don't want to attract cockroaches, which aren't afraid of them. Number 3. Peppermint. If you have ants in your kitchen and bathroom, you can repel them using peppermint essential oil. Sprinkle cotton balls with a few drops and leave them in areas where the ants hang out. You can also mix equal parts mint-scented liquid soap and water in a spray bottle and then spray it directly onto a group of ants. Believe me, they won't like it. Number 4. Cinnamon. Cinnamon works as a double agent. It makes your house smell like a dream and helps you deter ants at the same time. Powder, oil, and sticks are all good for this purpose. You can just sprinkle your regular kitchen spice at entry sites to disrupt the ant's route. You can draw a dry cinnamon barrier line or a cinnamon oil line with a cotton swab. If you mix cinnamon oil with water in a spray bottle and sprinkle it on entrails, windows, doors, and cracks, it'll have an even stronger effect. Cinnamon sticks casually thrown around the hot spots will also do the trick. Number 5. Coffee grounds. Before you throw away used coffee grounds after you enjoy a hot cup, remember they can, in fact, be of good use to you. Put them right in the cracks, sprinkle them around the flower bed, or even the entire base of your house. You'll need a lot of coffee for that. Ground coffee will even be more effective if you mix it with a few drops of peppermint essential oil and spread it on the countertops, near the garbage can, and other places ants love to frequent. Number 6. Tansy. Tansy flowers might look cute to you, but not to the ants. Plant it near your front door, under full or indirect sun, and in pretty dry soil, or among other plants you want to protect from ants. You can also keep dried tansy flowers by the windowsills to repel those nasty insects.